Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the Doodle Art app and sign in with your account details now. Choose a canvas preset like 1920x 1080 for screen design or 3000x 3000 for prints. Set your brush size between 1 and 100 px for fine control and broad strokes. Adjust brush opacity from 25% to 100% depending on layering needs. Enable autosave with a 60-second interval to prevent data loss. Set pressure sensitivity to match your stylus for natural strokes. Calibrate palm rejection to avoid accidental marks while drawing. Tap the tool icon to open pencils, markers, airbrushes, and texture brushes immediately. Choose a brush preset and tweak size, opacity, and smoothing for consistent strokes. Use pressure sensitivity up to 2048 levels if your stylus supports it. Create and manage up to 50 layers to separate sketching, inking, and color elements. Apply blend modes such as multiply or overlay for color interactions and shading. Group related layers and set group opacity to 50% for controlled translucency. Lock and rename layers to maintain organized workflows. When your piece is finished, tap Export and select PNG at 300 dpi for print quality. Choose SVG to preserve vector shapes and scalability when applicable. Use the undo history, which stores up to 50 steps for safe experimentation. Learn keyboard and gesture shortcuts to speed line work and layer management significantly. Enable the grid, rule of thirds overlay, and guides to align compositions precisely. Save incremental versions with clear file names like Sketch V1, Color V2 to track progress. Backup final files to cloud storage for long-term safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.